What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So, why did I do that? Okay, so we have this train. You know what I'm gonna do with it? Just come here. So, we have the train over here. I love the train. I think everyone loves it. So yeah. Now it's time to catch the train. Oh my god, it's gonna take forever. Oh my god, it's impossible. Yes. Oh no. I think it's impossible to get to the. Hey guys, I'm too tired. I am too tired to get on the train. I said train, guys, instead of plane. But so yeah. Wait. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say, guys. Bye. Oh wait, no. Oh no.